Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Today we're making soft and fluffy Turkish bread, which is one of the easiest breads to make at home. Let's begin by mixing the dough. Add the instant yeast, warm water, and sugar, and then whisk thoroughly. Add the flour and the salt to the yeast mixture and mix until there is no visible flour left. There's no need to knead the dough. Drizzle some olive oil, then roughly shape the dough into a ball, making sure the whole ball is covered with olive oil. Cover and proof for an hour or until the dough has doubled in size. Pour the dough onto some parchment paper and then cut the dough in half. Tuck the ends in to form a ball. Then press each piece into a round shape with your hands. Cover with a towel and proof for about 45 minutes. Using your fingers, make the design, but remember to press lightly so you don't deflate the bread. Brush the top of the bread with egg wash. Then sprinkle with white sesame seeds and nigella seeds. We'll now bake the bread at 480 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes or until the bread is golden brown. Will you look at that? Look at how soft and fluffy it is inside. I do hope you try this bread. I love eating it for breakfast with just plain yogurt. Till next time, enjoy!